Poppy's home. Hi, Poppy.
Where's my Ruby?
Look.
Hey, hey there, girl. Hey, what you doing? What you doing, sweetie? Hi there. Hi there, Miss Rube.
It's Poppy.
Tell me what's going on today. Have you had a good day? Hmm? Yeah, I know it. Have you been sleeping and eating a bunch today? Hmm? Yeah? So tell me all about it. Uh-huh. I know it. I know it. That's good. It was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, spit it out, girl. Have you been a good girl today? Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Are you my little Ruby Cube? Huh? Yeah? What? Tell me what's going on today.
Yeah, hi, Poppy.
Can you say hi, Poppy? Yeah? What? Hi, Poppy. Go ahead. You can. I know you can.
Don't feel like talking today, do you?
She's not as talkative.
Tell them to hush. You kind of a limp. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's right. You're kind of a limp rag today, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Tell me all about it. Yes? You're a good girl? I know it. Oh no. Yeah. Uh-huh. What? Yeah. Yeah. I know. You are sweet, Polly. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Pizza? You want pizza? Yeah? Pizza? You like pizza? Yeah.
Say, Poppy.
Are you glad your poppy came home?
Poppy.
You glad your poppy came to see you? Give me a big kiss. Mwah.
Poppy. I think she wants you to hold
Tell
her.
me all about it. Okay, come on over here. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Oh.